Correct. Yeah, the products aren't going to break down either. So they're used, for, like Gabriel said, they're multifaceted. It's the best combination of products that we've seen out there in the market. Some may have higher operating temperatures, but they'll break down chemically within a short period of time.
Why do you think that is, if you don't mind me asking?
Simply, the ones that will break down are main organic products, or bio-based products, where they do exactly what they're supposed to do. After a certain period of time, it's up to biodegrade. A synthetic product will not do that, and that's why we decided to go with the synthetic.
Will that actually happen while it's sitting on the gun for storage?
Yes, absolutely. Basically, what biodegradable means is that it comes in contact with the environment. Once it's doing so, the microorganisms will start to break down the oil or the protectant that you're using, and it'll eventually start failing.
And seeing how ours are synthetic, that won't happen?
That's correct.
Okay. All right. So what are the pluses, let's say, for long-term storage with our line of lubricants versus someone else's?
Well, there are other synthetic products out there which will have a long shelf life on there. Ours versus the organic products or the bio-based products, they'll definitely last a lot longer in storage.
Okay. Well, a lot of us don't get to enjoy the range as often as we'd like. I think that's something that we can all connect with. The last thing we want to do is spend a good 30 minutes cleaning a firearm, putting a thin layer of protectant lubricant on there, and then come back less than a week later and see it gummed up. So that's a good point. Well, what is this safe to use on? I know we talked about different finishes, but could you use a couple examples that you've been surprised after using the solvent and the oil?
To be quite honest with you, as far as being surprised, no, because we know what the product's going to do. But it's safe on everything. We use a spray-on application which atomizes the solvent. It's easier to apply, but actually you end up using a little less. And the good thing about it, you don't have to worry about it getting on anything. We've actually had an incident where it spilled all over a table, and let it dry out, nothing happens. There's no residue whatsoever. Didn't affect the cloth nor the wood underneath it. It's a very safe, clean product.
Well, there you have it, folks. And we're always open for more questions. You're going to see at the bottom of the screen best way to reach us. Also our social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram. Please stay tuned to our website as well, where we're going to be posting some of our videos and customer testimonials as well. That's on the bottom of the screen now as well. I think the best way to sum this up, it's an eco-friendly product for the sake of that's where our technology has allowed us to go, not for the sake of being trendy. I think that's the biggest thing to let our customers know. We will continue to push the envelope on these products. I don't think anytime in the near future do we expect to rest on our laurels. You guys are our number one focus, and please, we'd like to see where you would want this company to go next. All right, thanks.
Thank you.